Ebi byagambirwa mu mushomo gumazerebero bibiri akereza ya Rwindi Parish omuri Kashari Mbarara district kandi ogugwetabirwemo Abahingisa okurugwa mu cyanga cya South Western Uganda kandi omushomo ogu gutebenkanisibwa ba Nile Hot Life Uganda Limited hamwe na Nexus Green ansi ya Ministry y'ebyamizi hamwe n'obuhangwa.
There are many ways you can modify. If the farmer tells you the water does not dry like that, then what you can do is, if you want to use it for irrigation, you establish a reservoir, a sump aside the way they did that, so that you don't interfere. The permanent water sources, commonly they are streams. Then you're also going to come across spring wells. Others are protected, others are not.
And in this meeting, we are expected to disseminate knowledge on basically agronomy services, and these can also be taken up by the farmers.
Kaguta Museveni enteekateeka ye na manifesto ye eya feze yahwire akananda ngu buri farmer ahikweho agamizi so ati entase ya buri famire mu ihango omu egere sente mwena bututandikireho nabo kureberaho konkanye n'enteekateeka no kwikiriza umuntu za kufuna yo phase 2 kandi n'abandi nabo tukoreki tubakorere.
Aba barambura project ya mizigo kufuhirira eyi President Museveni yahire Rwindi Parish kandi bayegesebwa no ku system ya mizaga eri kukora
kandi itakarye kuri kumara kufa ikituru kwenda turi kubasa kukifuna nyine theory yanjye rukugera nguri itaka naryo rikurise konga hati itaka ryitu turyakire twaryita inshonga yo kubanza excessive use of herbicides. As herbicides muri kukoresa kufuhirira emyata zisirita karyitu urwezo rwahwaho obukoko bukuturo mwitako bukureta decomposition ya taking a place nabwo bwafa sharetera twabona munonga.
abetabira omushomogu basima Ministry y'amizi n'ebyobuhangwa okubatebenkanisiza omushomogu
batulese batuyigirize tusobole okuddayo kuyamba abalimi baffe engeri gye bagenda okweyambisaamu irrigation systems zino.
So nashanga ngo ebintu ebingi ebimbere nteekateeka ngu byo bitire banyambire na anlaninga
takabasa kubaha amizi g'obuhingi gatine buhingi amuhero mwenu tu encouraging ninga shintu tugezaho kweta abahingi kubaterera umuranga bari mu myanya yo na wano mangwe cyare cyo ri mu kintu amizi aga irrigation ago government base kombekayo rebeka ngo wayejumbira umukushomese bwabo kwanisha yamba
nde Evans Taremwa ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.